Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. A black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. On back we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a black ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, Burmeister sound system, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. This one also does come with the Multimedia package, which is going to give you voice command with navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, a turn wheel and touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC 300 has 36,713 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.